you can make it in your frying pan, super quick and easy. A perfect recipe for your breakfast. We will start by adding 15 grams of butter to a frying pan. Once the butter has melted, we will add a tablespoon of sugar. Once that's done, let's light the fire on medium power and stir until we reach the point in our syrup. Look guys, at this point here, we're going to add our tangerines cut into halves. If you're enjoying this recipe, go ahead and share this video with your family and friends. Here, we are going to turn off the fire and head to our dough. In a bowl, we will add a whole egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and with the help of a whisk, we will mix everything very well. Then, we will add 50 milliliters of oil and 100 milliliters of whole milk. Once that's done, we will add 3 drops of vanilla essence. Here, you can use the essence of your choice. Let's mix all these ingredients very well. Now let's add 160 grams of wheat flour. Once that's done, let's add a tablespoon of chemical yeast. And let's mix it lightly. And today's hug goes to our follower Anna Lewis from Oregon, USA. Anna, a big hug to you and your whole family, my dear. Now let's pour it on our tangerines, remembering that my fire is still off. Now let's spread the dough evenly. Once this is done, just light the fire on low power, cover it, and let it bake for 10 to 15 minutes. The time has passed here, so let's use a toothpick to see if it's ready. It's already cooked here. So let's use a plate to turn to the other side. And look how beautiful our frying pan cake, a super easy, practical, and incredibly delicious recipe. So do it there at your house and come back here to tell me how it turned out. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. A big hug and see you in the next video.